The S60 sedan, which is available in base core and mid-level plus trims, is in its last year of production. The plug-in hybrid Recharge is now called T8 AWD plug-in hybrid, PHEV, while the top-of-the-line Ultimate is now called Ultra. This year, motorized folding headrests are added to core models, and Ultra models get a black edition option that includes black wheels and external detailing in Onyx Black or crystal white paint. Depending on the model and extras, the 2025 Volvo S60 can cost anywhere from $43,795 to $59,295 in price. The non-hybrid S60 has a 247 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and front-wheel or all-wheel drive, making it more of a luxury cruiser than a sports sedan bruiser. The S60's ability to maneuver on the road amazed us, but in the end, we thought it lacked the best sports sedan steering feel and connection between the driver and the vehicle. In a comparative test with 4-cylinder competitors, the Volvo's more conservative driving style placed it last among sportier options like the Alfa Romeo Giulia and BMW 3 Series. This is a reserved, not a rushed, automobile. The non-hybrid S60 took 6.1 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour on our test track, which was slower than competitors like the Mercedes-Benz C300, 5.3 seconds, and BMW 330i, 5.2 seconds. The effortlessly quick BMW M340i reached 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, besting the more potent hybrid S60's mark of 4.1 seconds. Inside the S60, Volvo proudly displays its exceptional build quality, which is enhanced by premium materials and remarkable attention to detail. Unquestionably innovative, the design is full of embellishments like jeweled switchgear and incredibly comfortable seats. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, ambient interior lighting, a head-up display, massaging front seats, and other features are among its luxurious amenities. In addition to the cozy and supportive buckets in the front seats, the rear seat offers plenty of height and legroom for passengers.